The Mercedes-Benz G-Class is already a head-turner, but Carlex Design's Vintage Edition takes it to a whole new level with a retro twist. This Carlex Rose Vintage model, painted in soft pink and white, brings a unique, restrained elegance compared to the usual flashy tunings. The chrome front bumper, flared wheel arches, and retro wheels with pink centers add just the right amount of character without overdoing it. Inside, the pink theme continues, with leather covering nearly every surface, seats, steering wheel, and dashboard. Alcantara accents and white contrast stitching complete the look, making the interior feel like a pastel dream. So, would you drive this pastel pink G-Wagon, or stick with the classic,